Hi babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Mary and I know you're new here because you recently subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. It means a lot to me. For today's video, I am going to be doing this eye look you see here using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. I know this palette is not new, you guys, but I was going through my palettes the other day and I found this palette. Obviously, I got it on my BoxyCharm not so long ago and I was like, you know what? This is such a freaking pretty palette. Why haven't I used it more than once or twice? So I'm going to be doing this look you see here. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, just please keep on watching. Welcome back babes to my channel. Oh my god, it's been 2 weeks since I've last uploaded. It's been a minute. I haven't really been so inspired to play with makeup because I've been very anxious because of something that's gonna happen really soon. Been preparing for it and I have been, last week it was all about that. I was just focused in getting things done for that and obviously next week as well. And I'm gonna start off with the Glow Recipe Plum Plum Hyaluronic Serum. I have been also working out and I have to wake up early to film, so I haven't been I've been trying to get my sleep because of what's happening pretty soon. And oh my god, I can't wait to tell you guys. It's really exciting and very life-changing. For my brows babes, I'm going to be using my Patrick Ta Shaping Wax and this is a tinted one. So I'm going to be using this product with a spoolie. This is part of my brush. This is the Morphe M158. I could have just said M158. I went to do my brows recently, you guys. My skin is so sensitive and I really liked how she left my brows, but I did get a little reaction to the threading this time because she pulled so freaking hard. And I put concealer all over the lid and I am going to start off this shade right here, Libra, of course. It's blending out so pretty. I don't even know if this palette is still out. I got this palette on my BoxyCharm. Next up, I'm gonna use this shade right here and this is Hot Mess and I'm gonna use Morphe M456 brush. I'm gonna apply that here on the outer corner and bring it up to the crease. So now I'm gonna use my Morphe M456 brush and I'm gonna blend that purple out. I didn't set my concealer today, you guys. I just didn't think it was necessary for me to set it. I feel like I always set it and I feel like it's not even necessary for me to do it. I just do it because I don't know, I guess I like that smooth look. I really like this concealer because it's also really light, so it makes the eyeshadows pop a lot. I don't need an eye primer or anything. But if you have an eye primer and you want to use it, use it. And I haven't gotten BoxyCharm in a minute as well. That's why I haven't done any videos on it. I think the last one was I want to say April maybe. So I mean, I loved the fact that I was trying out new things from different brands. There was really good release. There has been a lot of really good releases. And I'm like, you know what? I'm paying such and such for BoxyCharm. And besides that, I was still buying makeup as well. And it kind of just added up. I'm going to go ahead and jump onto the eyelid. And I'm going to be using Ultraviolet, this one right here. And I'm going to apply that with my ring finger. I'm not saying it wasn't worth it. Some of them were a steal. Like that one time I got the one size translucent powder. I was still, like I said, I was still buying makeup aside from that. And I wanted other stuff, so girl, como que no, too much money. Yeah, look how pretty this purple is. Oh my god. I think it is kind of sheer though. So I'm gonna go in with my M456 brush and I'm gonna add Hot Mess, this shade right here again, to the outer corner. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back to finish off the look. Okay babes, so to finish off this look, I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyeliner and this is from ColourPop in the color Swerve. I think it's Swerve because it has a W on it. And I'm gonna put some on. Now I'm gonna go in with Hot Mess, this one right here, pencil brush from the Tricks and Mattel collection. Go ahead and put some of this Cosmic shade right here, and I'm gonna put that one with like just a little brush. I'm gonna use this brush, but I'm gonna wet the brush just so it could be more intense, because I'm gonna put it in the inner corner of the eye. So just a little bit of Fix Plus. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, babe, so that is it for this video. That is it for this look. And I actually went ahead and I checked if this palette was available still, and it is available. It's on the Huda Beauty website and it's on sale, girl. So if you really like this palette, I definitely recommend it. If you want like a pastel palette with shimmers, this is so bomb. And it is on sale. It's $33.50 right now. I think its original price, it's 60 something. So go get it if you really want it. And yeah, you guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much if you did watch my video to the end. Give me a thumbs up if you really did enjoy this look and enjoyed my vibe. And don't forget, subscribe to my channel, girl. Help me reach 1,000 subscribers, because we are almost there. I say we because you are part of me now, because you watch me in the daily, but when I do upload, never mind. Okay, you guys, so yeah, don't forget, comment down below if you feel like it, anything, whatever you like, whatever you want to see, and I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening soon, because girl, this is something big and I'm really excited for it. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see you guys and girls in my next video. I hope it's not too long.